Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Sunday, 20th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates. But before that, I would like you to request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 25 gold without VAT is 231.83, with VAT is 266.60. 22 carats gold 1 gram price is without VAT 212.51 and with VAT is 244.39. For 21 carats 1 gram price without VAT is 202.85 and with VAT is 233.28. For 18 carats without VAT price is 173.87 and with VAT is 199.95. For 14 carats 1 gram price without VAT is 135.23 and with VAT is 155.51. For 10 carats 1 gram price without VAT is 96.59 and with VAT is 111.08. For 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 57.96 and with VAT is 66.65. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information useful to you, please like this video, and again I would like you to request to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.